Right, what's happening, guys? Back from another video. I literally just went to Mildenhall on Saturday, and now today I'm going to Turkey. This is on Monday now. I literally booked it 4 hours ago. I put it on Instagram literally just a minute ago. But yeah, I'm flying to Turkey now, actually the airport. I'm in a massive rush. Flight leaves in like an hour and a half. So this is my first time in Turkey as well. I've never actually been. So I'm flying to Antalya, which I think is, I'm not sure, I don't even know if it's the capital. I don't even know anything about it. I don't really know anything about Turkey, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very uncultured when it comes to that one. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting trip. Check it out. Let's go. So I literally just went through customs and getting my boarding pass. So I had to keep, like, I was the only person for that. And just got through customs in about 10 minutes, literally 10 minutes. I'm well surprised. I'm definitely gonna make this flight. I've got like an hour left to walk to the gate. It's got ages left, it's all good. I'm gonna make the flight. Walking down to the gate now. I can't wait to actually get to Turkey. It's gonna be fucking crazy. What's happening, guys? My phone died last night. I wasn't able to get anything. So this is where I stayed last night. It's nothing fancy, Mirror Park Hotel. It's nice and cheap, just sort of staying near the airport for the night. I mean, like, I don't even know where I am, to be honest. I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. But I stayed here last night. And I'm about to get a taxi now to the place I'm actually going to stay for a few days. A little mart across the road. It's not a bad little place area. It's quite a nice little area as well, to be fair. I like it. Right, there we go. I am in the taxi now, heading over to the next place. So I stayed at this random little spot, like down here somewhere in Antalya in the city. Some just cheap place for the night, because I didn't land until like 11 o'clock. By the time I got to the hotel, it was gone midnight, so it wasn't really worth getting somewhere nice last night, as I was just literally flew out on the day that I booked it and everything. It just wasn't all worth it. So I booked a nice cheap place last night, and we're on our way over now to Belek, which is where this place called Aquaworld is. It's got water slides and all sorts going on there, mate. It's going to go off on it. So yeah, on the way over there now. I'll get a couple of videos of the area on the way over there to show you. But yeah, we're in Turkey. Those mountains looking perfect for a bit of mountain biking. Up. Belek, there we go. So we're heading down to Belek now. We were in Antalya. Now we're heading down to here, which is meant to be more the touristy sort of place and whatnot. Just sat in about an hour's worth of traffic for lane closure, but we're getting there. We're about 20 minutes away now. So this is the Land of Legends thing. Liv was telling me all about it. We're going to do a little trip here at some point, so we'll do a video from it. It's meant to be really cool up in here. Up in here, up in here. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's pretty wild. Like, it's pretty cool what they've done there. It's just like an amusement park as well. It's not like it looks like royalty, mate. You know what I mean? Isn't it? Like, it's just an amusement park. Sick. Yeah, right here, I think. Yeah, here, I think. We made it to Aquaworld. Let's go. And even the entrance into this place is wild. What I've seen so far. Made it to the hotel. We even got a little chauffeured service here. Well, hey, there's the reception. Got a little cart to our room. So on the way up to the room now, we did get a free room upgrade, which is pretty crazy. So we got a villa suite now, which is pretty good. It's an all-inclusive resort as well.
Lobby bar is here.
Up there.
Okay, lobby bar front Thailand open.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Right, we'll head up there now.
Restaurant is here.
Restaurant, water park, everything down there.
Now closed.
There's a pool there as well. And there's about 7 pools in this building. It's actually crazy. There we go. So this is the downstairs floor to our apartmente. There's our little view. Not too shabbers. What's the upstairs saying? Stairs are a bit funky. Bed's looking good. Ho ho ho! We'll take this. Got a second bathroom. Oh! Bit dark. Waiting for the lights to get sorted out because apparently the lights don't work in here. Well, hey. What a nice apartment, eh? This will do for a few days. Even got a mini fridge! So, that's our building up there, and that's our room, the 2-storey little room there. Well nice, we've got the courts, we've got the big aqua park down here, big slides and all the rest of it. Restaurants, we've got it all going on here, man. It's gonna be such a trip, you've got no idea.
Ice cream.
Oh, we've got a little ice cream joint, we've got a photo shop, ice cream joint, got all the slides. So this is some of the things we got going on. It's crazy, we've got mountain bike in here, typical though. That's today, and I've missed it. Of all the things I'm gonna miss the mountain biking. There's one on Thursday or Friday.
Thursday for kids.
It's for kids though. I mean, I wonder if I can pull off a teen look. I might have a shave, see if I can get in there. Right, let's have a little walk down to the beach. First all-inclusive drink of the holiday. Chin chin. So it's basically taken me 24 hours to get here. I left at like lunchtime. I booked it at 12 o'clock. It's now 12 o'clock now and I've just got my first drink. So it's not a bad going. I literally booked it, went to the airport and left, and got here late last night. Got here like midnight last night. Stayed somewhere near Antalya and then got a taxi to here. And I tell you now, this is not a bad little resort, you know? Could be a lot worse. So this is the water slides. How sick, man. We're gonna be having some races on these, that's for sure. That one looks quite cool, little swirly one going down there. Little racers here. Where's the drop slides though? You know, some droppers. So we've got like a little garden area here that comes down into another, I think this is the kids pool. And there's an adult pool behind or somewhere else near here, but this is well nice. Another restaurant here, this is Zapata Snacks and Bar. This one's nice. Look at all that. This menu is quite good for in here. Loads of Turkish food and things. I'm gonna go check the other pools out. We may come back and have a little stop in it. Nice, lovely little pond. Oh, I don't know what bird that is. Crow. So here's the relaxing pool. And if I see, they've got a swim up bar. So that means one thing. Cocktail o'clock, doesn't it? Simple as that, swim up bar. Things are made of dreams, that is, isn't it? Literally a dream.
And they're different too. Like wedges.
We dropped off in the Zapata Snack and Bar. So we're down at the water park. We've got the old double danger. We're gonna go up and do that one. We just done the other 2 little blue ones underneath there. That's quite fun. So this is the resort. It goes so far back as well. Hey, boy! This slide is sick of it. Hey, and we're going! Fucking hell, mate! Woo! Bloody hell! That got quite scary. We're going to do the mini slides as well now. You going down that one, yeah? It's only a little prop at the bottom. I'll hold my hand up. He's still there. You hear him screaming. That wasn't what I expected. Yeah, you good to go? Send it. Yeah, boy. So, heading down for dinner now. We're going to check out what it's like down here. We've had a little lunch, had a little lie down and relax. So the buffet hall is actually crazy big. Actually crazy big. Some of the foods and that, so good. Sorry.
I think this is better than Cyprus.
It is better than Cyprus, I think. Look at all these, man, all these salads and that. Got dessert. diet corner. I am not going there. All right. All the salads, man. Thank you very much. All the desserts. That's so cool.
So they made some, that's a little pumpkin. It's
Little
so
pumpkin
like
one, yeah.
Halloween.
All of these. Actually crazy. Aha, then they got all the Turkish stuff, like the baklava. Ooh. All the fruits. The whole outdoor bit as well, where you can get all sorts of other stuff and all the rest of it. Huge everywhere. There's a lot of people here. But wow, the food is good. All the fresh fish cooked up here. Got to get a clip of the actual dinner, but wow, is the old dessert, eh? Bit of baklava, bit of roll, bit of fruit. Spooky. This is down on the beach. It's still part of our resort. Our resort's all the way down there. It's a resort. It's huge. It still goes down that way as well. Like, this thing is massive. Oh, there we go. I think that's going to end the first video here. So I flew out yesterday, done last night at a random hotel, checked into this hotel today, and I'm here for I think 3 more days, three more days, and then maybe somewhere else, or we're gonna head back to the UK because I think I might ride this weekend. I'm not too sure, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you over another one.
No, that's beautiful. Hold on.
How nice is that? Yes.